Hey, what's up guys, it's Pyfantastic here. Today I have a really exciting unboxing. So I ordered a Cubelelo mat, the Bell V2. I used the Bell V1 as my main for a very long time, almost 2 years. So I can't wait to get into this. And I just got a cube cover so I can practice comp style. And then I just got this stand for free. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by unboxing this mat. So the cloth feels really nice. It feels like it has really nice material, and the mat itself is really nice. Like it's the right size for cubing in my opinion. It isn't too big. Like it's not gonna take an entire desk. Neither is it too small. So yeah, it's really nice. And I believe this is like the windmill version or something. I don't actually remember the name. But yeah, now let's get on to the Pyraminx. So I'm just going to be using this mat for the rest of the video. And now let's get into the Pyraminx. Definitely the one I'm most excited for. So let's try to get this off. Oh my god, this is actually extremely hard. I actually ended up tearing it to get through. Another layer of paper. And there. More plastic. Cube companies definitely love the environment. 100%. And a very nice looking screwdriver actually. Okay, what the hell was that? Oh wow, so it has different screws in the back, I believe. That's actually really cool. And then it goes in like that. And here is the Pyraminx. And there's more plastic underneath. Again, more environment, because we love the environment. And we have some magnets here. I believe these are for the tips if you want more strength. And here are just some more useless pamphlets. Or wait, these actually aren't useless. So these two tell you how to change the strength in the tips, and this is on the pieces. Okay, so now let's get into first turns for the pyramid. Alright, so the shades look identical to the Bell V1 Pyraminx. And it actually has like these weird gaps in the middle. It's not like exactly leveled. I don't know why that is, but I mean, as long as it's WC official, that's fine. Okay, so now let's get into first turns. Wow, okay, I actually like that quite a bit. So this is extremely fast and very quiet. This is super quiet. It does feel a bit tight right now, so I might have to fiddle with the tensions a bit. And it's very dry and sandy. But as I'm breaking it in, it is getting slightly better. But yeah, this actually feels a lot lighter than the Bell V1, which is really good because I really didn't like the heavy feel of that cube, which is kind of the reason why I switched from it to the GAN Pyraminx. Okay, this is actually really good. So it feels kind of like the Huanlong, but the Huanlong is slightly more softer. But this is still a great cube. This is really good performance for out of the box. And I'm actually going to check how you change the magnet strength now. Okay, so this pamphlet says, so there's like a minus sign, dot sign, and a plus sign. Minus sign is light, dot is moderate, and plus is strong. Okay, so right now it's on the moderate tension, so I'm gonna switch it to the strong tension. So I think you have to take the screwdriver, put it in here, and then just move it like that. Wow, okay, that was actually very easy. So I'm just gonna do that for all the sides and come back. Alright, so I'm done changing it to the tight tensions. Let's see how it turns now. Okay, that is actually a pretty noticeable difference. So my U moves are a lot better. They actually already were, even on the moderate tensions. And I do like this more than the moderate tensions, gotta say. And yeah, this thing flows really nicely. But I have heard that this cube has core stripping issues. But that was in the prototype model, so this should actually be good. According to Chi, they've resolved that problem. So this is really nice. It's flowing really well, as you can see. So let me just do a quick solve. Oh, I actually haven't tried the tips. Okay, so the tips right now are extremely light and they do have a lot of spring noise. So if you don't like spring noise, you should consider lubing this in the core. But let me just do a quick solve. Okay, wow, I just choked so badly. Okay, so yeah, that felt pretty nice. But it doesn't have as effortless corner cutting as the GAN Pyraminx. I do believe that has better corner cutting, but that just might be because this has extremely tight tensions. I'm definitely gonna loosen this up a bit. But the reverse corner cutting is actually pretty nice. It has great reverse corner cutting. And if you look over here, there's kind of like a lip right there which prevents popping. So I believe I should be able to go to slightly looser tensions. So I've assembled this cube cover, and yeah, it's pretty nice, does its job. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say about it. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.